Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Visakhapatnam location. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job notification released from Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. So they have openings available for the engagement of trade apprentice. So the applications are invited by the RINL from ITI qualified candidates for apprenticeship training under Apprentice Act 1961 in various states. So the selection will be through online computer based test, so CBT. So you can get a more detailed notification, detailed information in this notification. So you can get all the detailed information in the official website link, that is www.visakhsteel.com, under the link careers. So interested candidates, the last date for online registration, last date will be 17th July 2021. And next one, there are vacancies available for the telecallers and PROs. So for telecallers, female candidates are required and PROs, male candidates are required. So it is from SKML Degree College. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given contact numbers for more detailed information. First number is 7702333929 and second number is 89773522929. Next one, there are openings available from Tirumala Education Institutions, day and residential, in Rajamahendravaram, Visakhapatnam and Bhimavaram locations. So they have vacancies available for the senior lecturers and JEE Advanced and NEET, and senior lecturers for JEE Mains, and faculty for IIT or Olympiad 8th to 10th classes, and junior lecturers for MSET and IPE, and high school teachers from 6th to 10th, and primary school teachers from LKG to 5th, and teacher come wardens, warden come assistant teachers, and assistant teachers, coordinators, physical education teachers, receptionists, and computer operators. And these are the qualification details. You please go through with this, and also you can also check here with the salary details for each and every job position. And if you have any doubts and any queries regarding these job vacancy, so you can also approach them with the given contact numbers, and you please check here with the interview dates and venues provided here. Next one, there are openings available for store manager position for a reputed branded ready-made garment showroom located in Vizag. So if you are interested to apply for this store manager position, you can contact them with the given contact number, that is 96186211717. Next one, there are openings available from Shiva Shivani High School, Maripalam. So it is located in Visakhapatnam location. So they have vacancies available for pre-primary and primary class teachers, English and Hindi teachers for primary, middle and high school. So walk-in is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. from 21st June onwards on school working days with a handwritten biodata. So written biodata. So if you are interested to apply for these positions, you can approach them with the given contact number. So you can also check here with the address details. Next one, there are openings available for NAD MVP and Asilameta branches. So you need to work for work in these branches. So they will be having vacancies available for the positions like marketing executives, accountants, computer operators, receptionists, principal and vice principals. So for accountants positions, any degree, fresher candidates can eligible to apply for these positions, and the salary is negotiable here for all the positions. So Interested candidates, you need to attend to the interview from 20 June 2021 to 27 June 2021 from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. to the provided address details. And next one, there are openings available for BTech or diploma candidates to work as junior engineers in shop floor of a mechanical company in VSEZ and Duvada. So it is located in Vishakhapatnam location. So they have also provided here the contact number to approach them and also mail ID. So if you are interested, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID and you can also approach them with the given phone number for any queries. Next one, there are openings available for engineering graduates. It is for only female candidates to work as junior engineers in shop floor of a mechanical company in VSEZ Duvada, so located in Vishakhapatnam. So they have also provided here the mail ID and contact number to approach them. Next one, there are openings available for Ramabanam Junior College located in Vishakhapatnam. So it is a work from home opportunity. Salary will be 20,000 to 30,000 rupees per month and along with incentives up to 25,000 to 1 lakh rupees. So duty will be PROs or telecalling from home. So these are the job vacancies from the Ramabanam Junior College. So if you are interested, you can contact them with the given contact number, that is 9885520221. Next one, there are vacancies available for marketing executive and junior accountant position for a reputed real estate and construction company. So, marketing executive position, female candidates are required, and the junior accountant position, male candidates are required. So if you are interested to apply for these positions, you can approach them with the given contact numbers. First number is 9676849999. Second number is 9394218373. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.